Okay, welcome to a little video for this DJI Mavic 2 Pro. This comes with a case, gimbal cover, the smart controller with the screen. You can fly a Mavic Air 2S, a Mini 2 with it, and helipad, little few bits and bobs, car charger, a load of cables under here as well, a few cables. USB power outlet from the battery, 2 batteries, as I say, charger and everything. So let's give it a go. So we'll just power that on. This looks like it's on. There's the screen gone. There we go. Mavic 2 unbound, so I shall unbind it from my account. Mavic 2, let's have a quick look. Nice screen on these, enter device. Let's just have a look at DJI store, DJI user, ignore that database. That's me, settings, what's that? Beginner's guide, check for dates, updates, done all that. So let's nip outside and give it a whirl. So Hasselblad camera on this one, 1-inch sensor. I must admit, I've had the RC 330 on my Mavic 2S, and this controller, although technically spec-wise it's actually not as up to spec as the RC 330, but it actually feels nice. It's got a more solid build quality to it. It just feels a better controller. You can record audio direct onto this one as well, and it does take an SD card, and it does have an HDMI output as well, which is pretty nifty. So let's just return, press again to exit, let's go fly, put it out of sport mode, go fly, there we go. Little joystick there as well, ready to go version, battery's charged. Ignore that database again, and let's just have a quick look at the settings on here. Aeroscope, home point settings, current, return to home, altitude.
The home point has been updated.
Home point's updated. Okay. Enable intelligent flight modes. Yeah, well, we don't have to worry about that. Return to home altitude, I'll stick that up to 100 for me. Plenty of high trees around here. 100. Done. Beginner mode off. Anyway, usual things. So let's sticks to bottom opposing corners like so, and throttle up, and up she goes. Sensors galore. Brilliant camera. Let's just bring that down. There's me filming you, and that makes sense. So all looking good. Sport mode, obviously, really decent quality bit of kit this is actually. All the usual circle modes and all the rest of it. Let's take it over this way. Out the sunshine a bit. Anyway, there we go. So all flying well, lovely picture. Thanks for watching.